very simple technique, again, to work these upper trapezius, but also to get into the scalenes as well, into the muscles in the side of the neck here. So I'm going to take a tiny bit of wax, and you can have oil or cream or anything, just so there's just a tiny bit of softness to the hands there. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to move the bra strap to the side, that's fine, is I'm going to use my hands kind of as a cantilever. So what I'm going to do is kind of push in slightly, but as I push in, my knuckles are going to come up the back of the head. So my chest is right on the top of her head here, because you have to get forward. So again, I'm just pushing my hands in like that, the elbows are wide. So again, this is very little effort on my part. This is actually quite a nice stretch for my hands. But I think it's quite deep. Is this quite deep for you, Siva? Very simple thing to do. Again, very good neck and shoulder pain, headaches, jaw ache. And you just need to do this a few times, 4, 5, 6 times maybe. And that's that. Good. Now, lie on your back, Siva.